Hello there everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on Google Chrome. Did you know that you can translate any page you view in Chrome to any language of your choice? Today I'm gonna take you through how you can do that and how you can achieve that with a few clicks. So let's say you are reading through this page and you wanted to translate it to any other language that is supported by Chrome. While you are reading through your page, just right click in it. From this context menu, you'll see this entry, translate to English. So whatever language that shows here, just click on this option, translate to, then it will open this pop-up for you. From this pop-up, click on this menu button with the 3 vertical dots, click on it, and then you can choose another language. So when you click on this option, it will give you a selectable drop-down. Click on this, and then you can choose any language you want to translate to. For example, we can translate this page to, let's choose something like Georgian, and then click on translate. So Google Translate will take the content of the page and then translate it into the language of your choice. If you want to change this language, remember whenever you've translated a page, this icon will appear at the top here. So if you want to switch back to another language, just click on it and then click on these 3 dots, and then you can just click on choose another language, and then you can select the language you want to translate this page to. Like for our case, we can translate it to Chinese and then click on translate. And then after a short duration, Google Translate will take the content of the page and then translate it into the language you selected. To go back to English, just click here, choose another language, then select English and then translate. For people who live in East Africa, another tip, you can just translate this page to Swahili simply by clicking on this Google Translate icon. If this icon is not here, remember you can just right click and then you click on translate to English. It will bring you this pop-up. Click on these 3 dots, choose another language, then look for Swahili. Swahili is way down here. Click on it and then click translate. So thank you again for watching. Stay tuned for more tips from this channel. See you soon, guys.